Alright, so we're here at White Cliffs, Arkansas. This was a view recommended by one of my buddies. Just pulling in the parking lot, looking like it's something that I want to see. We got some rolling hills back here finally. We got some, well, we got out of Texas, I guess. Alright, well, let's hope this works. We'll just see what happens, whatever. Hey, the enemy of good is perfection. That's in my mind. I ain't trying to make this perfect. All right, see you when it's over. All right, come on, Ellie. Come on. Well, I made it to the thing that I thought that I wanted to see. That was going to be different. It's just white rock. Like ground rock. Like I thought it was solid rock. I mean, I guess this is kind of neat, but this is the White Cliffs. This isn't the White Cliffs. This is part of it. The White Cliffs was where we were at. At the sun. There we go. Anyway, but we got Ellie. We just did about a mile hike. Pretty cool. Alright, so challenge number one. The official first challenge is in the books. AI wanted me to go chase a view. And when you're living in a flat area, that's kind of hard. But as soon as I got into the area, I started feeling like this was what I needed to do. The hills started rolling. The trees got bigger. I saw a river. Yeah, I hope the video is good. I hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for next week. Bye.